everyone, Vivi here. Want to turn your ideas into cool street murals? Let's try the Graffiti Art Generator. First, head to AI Toolmarket in the top bar, scroll down and find the Graffiti Art Generator section. Today, I want to first introduce a feature that I use all the time and find super practical: piece text. This toolkit is powerful, transforming simple words into vibrant graffiti while keeping the artistic style natural. Now let's click on piece text to enter its dedicated page and see exactly how it works. Simply type the word you want to generate in the prompt box and click the big button Use as Reference. Now keep an eye on the floating ball in the bottom right corner until the progress bar hits 100%. It's done. Go straight to My Assets to check out your vibrant, transformed result. Wow! This final image looks incredible. The piece text style is integrated with a professional street art finish. Vidoly also offers various other styles, like the magical and creative fantasy text for a dreamy aesthetic. You can also explore the red text style, which brings a bold superhero theme directly into your designs. For a sharp and modern look, try the cool text option to give your letters a sleek, ice-cold vibe. If you want a heavier impact, 3 words will make it loud and clear with great typographic design. Plus, the flag text tool wraps your concepts into bright, high-contrast street elements. For fun and quick catchphrases, 2 words delivers an instant typographic boost. And don't forget the classic urban style, giving your visuals a smooth and rhythmic urban pulse. Want to see more? There are so many artistic styles waiting for you to discover. Go explore and find your favorite. Vidoly makes it so easy to experiment and find the style that truly makes you shine. Subscribe for more AI art tips and comment below with which graffiti style you want to try next. Start your free trial at Vidoly AI today. Unleash your creativity, change your world. See you!